Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, August 4. Government is partnering with the private sector and academia to expand the local cassava industry. Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller says government's current partnership with Red Stripe has shown that the industry can grow. Red Stripe is using the tuber as an ingredient in its brewing of beer.
As this new industry develops, I look forward to the opening soon of a new cassava processing plant in Elam, St. Elizabeth, and thank the government of Colombia for having provided this gift.
Mrs. Simpson-Miller says the administration is also looking to take the expansion to the baking industry.
We're also strengthening the cassava industry by working with the University of the West Indies to produce cassava flour for use in the baking of bread.
The Prime Minister was addressing patrons at this weekend's Denby show in Clarendon. And while at Denby, Mrs. Simpson-Miller also commended the country's farmers for their resilience and hard work towards feeding the nation and supporting the economy.
True emancipation and independence begins with our ability to feed ourselves. It is about establishing the springboard for sustained economic growth and development through import substitution and increased import earnings.
Prime Minister Simpson-Miller said agriculture continued to bounce back, adding that production was being greatly assisted by significant investments in irrigation systems for farmers.
As your government, we pledge to continue to support our farmers, to keep Jamaica's agricultural sector strong and growing.
Government will be implementing an all-island maintenance and beautification project. The Tourism Product Development Company TPD-Co and National Solid Waste Management Authority NSWMA signed an agreement on Monday to implement the project. The $260.6 million program is being funded by the Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF.
Where we are going as Minister of Tourism and Entertainment is to see the entire country of Jamaica as a tourism product. Our visitors drive across the length and breadth of the island.
TPD-Co will manage the project while the NSWMA will be the implementing agency. It will be done over 12 months and involves the removal of garbage, bushing and cutting of verges along roadways, tree pruning and planting of trees and flowers. Local Government and Community Development Minister Noel Ausgust says the project's value far exceeds the obvious.
This project will provide a range of public benefits, from the provision of employment opportunities to the promotion of civic pride and the transformation of the built environment. These works are also an important contributor to the promotion of community development.
Montego Bay's 27-kilometer elegant corridor is now energy efficient. 797 LED lights installed along the corridor between the Sangster International Airport roundabout and Iberia Star Hotel were officially switched on last Thursday. The project was a collaboration involving the Ministries of Tourism, Local Government and Transport Works and Housing. It was financed by the Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF, at a cost of $271 million. Tourism and Entertainment Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil says it's an example of the kinds of transformational projects TEF has been pursuing to improve the lives of Jamaicans.
We ensure that the projects that are being done by the Tourism Enhancement Fund are not done for visitors. The visitors can benefit from it, but it is really done to fix up our country. This is done for Jamaicans.
Meanwhile, Local Government Minister Noel Ausgust says the administration is exploring the possibility of using LED bulbs for all street lights island-wide.
We know that if we are able to change the existing lights in Jamaica to LED lights, we will be able to save 50,000 barrels of oil per year.
And finally, the police have instituted traffic changes for sections of the corporate area to facilitate the smooth staging of events during the Independence Festival celebrations. Patrons traveling from the Halfway Tree direction are to use the lower gate to enter the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center on Hope Road. Those traveling from Papine are to use the upper gate for entrance, while both gates will be used to exit the premises. Ranny Williams is the venue for several festival events. General parking for the entertainment center will be provided on the grassy section of the Police Officers Club premises and Liberty High School. Traffic changes have also been made to accommodate patrons attending this year's Grand Gala at the National Stadium. Starting midday on Thursday, Arthur Wint Drive will be turned into a one-way going east towards the National Stadium. Motorists travelling from this direction will turn left onto Roosevelt Road, right onto Stanton Terrace, right onto Mountain View Avenue, then right on Arthur Wint Drive and into the car park. A police checkpoint will be at Roosevelt Road and Stanton Terrace. Only vehicles with VIP passes will be allowed to enter Roosevelt towards the stadium. Residents of Stadium Gardens will be able to leave and enter the community by using Arthur Wint Drive as a one-way going east only. No parking will be allowed on Roosevelt Road, Arthur Wint Drive, Latham Avenue, Stanton Terrace or Mountain View Avenue. Details of the traffic changes are on the JIS website, jis.gov.jm. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.